Hey, where you at? No, I know.
Yeah, hold that line. Okay, bump. Another bump on the right. Little one. There you go, drop. Careful. Drop that, and then maybe. Alright, gonna drop to level you again. Alright. You gotta feel the same with the back, obviously. Yep. 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 Life's gonna drop. That's good. Good line. Just hold it there. Just hold it there. Yep. Slowly. Front's gonna drop a little bit, but it's the left that we're gonna watch. Do you want me to pack that side for you, or what's your front?
We slow down to.
Alright, your front's gonna drop.
Good touch. Good touch.
You're gonna bottom out.
Just a bit.
Have you bottom down?
Yeah, it's on this side. Just a bit. It's alright.
Alright, that's why you got rock sliders.
I don't even know the rock slide.
Keep going, slowly. Yep. Just a bit of right hand down, just a touch. Yep. Slowly. How you doing? It's easy. Yep, that's fine. That's alright. Now what do you want to do? You might have to do a hard left hand down now so we can get around this rock here. To bring you through here.
You gotta climb up here on your left.
Yeah, they won't be big.
Keep going.
Yep.
There you go.
And you're going to be on that, it's going to lift you up this side so it's fine, and then you'll drop off the other side of it. Yeah, actually this is alright, come on.
Good line.
Good line.
Go slow.
Exactly where you need to be, mate. Just slowly here, then drop. Yep, good. Keep going, just hold that. Hold that. You're going to drop a little bit there, it's okay. It'll start leveling out again. Yep, keep going. Keep it there, yep. Now a bit of right hand down. Yep, that's it. Beautiful. Hold it there, just bring it through. Well done. Now I want to bring it over this way.
Yep. Like that.
Get there. Hold it there. Just hold it there. Just a touch of right hand down. Yep, that's it. Just hold it there. Slowly. And now up. A little bit of up, and then a little bit of it down. You're going to come down. Yep. A little bit of straight.
Yes, a lot has. Beautiful.